this is it. This is the moment. Let's see if this Bentley actually blends in. My cheap Bentley. No one needs to know how much I paid for this car. I rescued this vintage Bentley from an estate sale for so cheap, it is wild. It was, however, sitting for over 7 years before I found it. I had two goals in mind with this cool old school Bentley, making it my daily driver and to attend various car events because people deserve to see this rare example. I mean, look at this baby. And unexpectedly, right after I got this Bentley, I had a privilege to be invited to a pretty exclusive event full of supercars and even hypercars. In this video, my vintage Bentley and I are going to attend this super cool event. I will do a car spotting of the newest exotic car dealership, and I will show you what rich people of Arizona look like and what they drive. This should be a fun one. Okay, here's the quick story. The second week after I bought it, as I mentioned, I was invited to the grand opening of the newest car exotic dealership here in Arizona, thanks to my silly videos here on YouTube that led to meeting pretty cool and generous people. But for me to attend, apparently I had to have an exotic car, and the organizers of this event actually asked if I had one. And I told them, well, I got a vintage Bentley. And that got me a ticket for this event, believe it or not. I got so excited and nervous because that meant a lot of hard work to fix all sorts of issues that this car developed over the years just sitting. And the timeline between fixing everything and this event wasn't particularly on my side. But if you watch previous 3 episodes on this Bentley restoration journey, then you know that we made it, barely made it, literally a day before the event. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. We are here. Probably gonna be the only guy with vintage Bentley. How cool is that? There's some, oh, I see some Bentayga. I see some, I'm not sure if I want to do a valet. They asked me to do valet. Look at the STO Huracan. There's a Vantage. Hello, guys.
How are you?
I'm great. We're great. How are you?
Good.
So what are we doing? Can we just park here somewhere?
I mean, you can self-park, yeah.
Yeah?
Well, I mean, if you don't want to do that, we can park it for you.
Got it.
Completely up to you.
Okay, let me...
You're gonna self-park, it's way down there, and then just find a spot. Right?
Got it. Thank you.
Yep.
I'd rather self-park. This is nice. Oh man, that's tight. This is tight. This is lovely though. Okay, yeah. Ladies.
I don't know if I want to be on camera though.
You do.
Oh wait,
because it's a must.
It's a must?
That's what they told me, yes.
Oh, okay. Who told you that?
Lawrence, the owner, and his assistants, yeah.
Oh, I know Alden.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
wonderful.
I do Karen's hair.
Karen's hair.
Alden's wife.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you up there on the pedestal.
I am. I'm a part of the family. Yeah.
You're part of the family. I love it. Anyway, my name is Red. What's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth?
Yes.
Good to meet you, Elizabeth.
Jamie.
Jamie, you know Elizabeth somehow.
Yes.
She brought you here.
Yes.
What a wonderful friend she is.
Right? So much fun.
Man, this is something special right here. One of the holy Trinity cars, the 918 Spider.
Right there.
It is the best spot you guys got for the icon.
I know, right?
I want to just shake your hand, sir. What a great taste you got in cars.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Am I clear on my door here?
Yeah,
yes. Wow. Wow. Have you had it for a while, sir?
I've had it for about a year or so.
A year or so?
Yeah.
Did you look for it for a while? That's the
Yeah, I looked for it.
These are in very high demand.
Yeah, they're hard to find.
Is this your favorite car out of the Holy Trinity when this car came out?
Yeah, you know, I was nowhere near in the position to afford that at that time.
Yeah. So you would pick this over LaFerrari every day, all day?
Well, I don't know about that. I mean, but yeah.
But it was competing with the LaFerrari though.
Yeah. I mean, I think they're all got their goods and their
Well,
bads. But
I hear this is a lot more reliable than the LaFerrari because the hybrid system that Ferrari put in that car, and that was the first time Ferrari did the hybrid in a V12.
Yeah, this one works it does really well.
Yeah.
It's a beast, dude.
Can you daily drive this car?
I mean, yeah, you could.
No, I know it would probably lower the value, but is it daily drivable?
Dude, I drive the shit out of this car. I mean, look, if you look at the side of it, it's all fucking pepper.
Yeah, it is. So it's really that enjoyable.
I drove this to Monterey from LA.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it, man. Hey, thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
The dream Porsche, for sure. Hey, check out the Rezvani. This is something ridiculous. This is if you wanna be a dickhead who afraid for his life, you just buy this and you don't care. This is the ultimate zombie apocalypse machine for sure. This is something. Let's walk around actually. Obviously the Phantom right here, the iconic Z8. That's very nice. We're gonna see plenty of Porsches. I believe this is the IQ, the new Escalade. What else we got here? That looks like a typical GT. The Mercedes, not the Black Series. This, the DB9, is the best car to buy for the money because this is the depreciation hero. You can buy this now under $30,000. So that's like a entry-level Civic money today. So you buy this car V12, the Aston Martin brand. Everyone knows obvious. This is James Bond car. It's wonderful, and you can blend in among these $500,000, $300,000 cars really easily with such a cool car. This is the track-focused 2.1, I believe. That's what it is, the 911. Some newest vintage. Very nice. Huracans, obviously, always nice. There's a 720S McLaren here behind me. I can see some kind of appeal why people buy this car, but it depreciates like crazy. It's unreliable. I guess you got a lot of money to add this to your collection or to your garage. That's great. The 812, however, is a wonderful car. This car actually holds value pretty well. So I would definitely pick this over the 720 McLaren. And then there is the king of the roads, the car that commands every time it is on there. Look at these wheels. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at these wheels. Wow. There's another 720, so the Vantage again, and then there's another 720S. Now this car, the 488, probably is one of those Ferraris that still look very modern, but you can get it for the entry-level money, and it still looks very modern. This is a great car to hack. They hold value really well today. However, the car that doesn't hold value again is the McLaren right here. Again, the 720. What do you think? Like my $6,000 Bentley blends in really well, right? There's these are two British cousins, really. The McLaren is a British supercar company, and there's this car that actually all hand built out of Crewe, England, way before Volkswagen and BMW took over Rolls-Royce and Bentley separately. There's true authenticity in this car. Authenticity. Is that how you say it? Anyways, let's go inside because there's more special cars inside. Truly wonderfully rare, exclusive supercars, actual supercars, hypercars we're talking about, that not every person probably gonna have a privilege to see these cars because they're that rare, they're that exclusive, they're that expensive, and we're here because of that $6,000 Bentley. And we have the access to it. Let's go check out those cool supercars. How are you, sir? Oh, look at this. This is what I call heaven. Bunch of rich people and cool cars. What can it be better? So are you guys into cars yourselves? You might be.
I do like cars. I like anything from classic. I love the exotic cars. I'm very I love everything.
Yeah.
Oh, me? Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm interested in cars. I like watching or like looking at them, checking them out, seeing the differences.
So you're really enjoying tonight?
Yeah. I'm trying to get outside to go look, but we gotta finish these first.
Yes, outside was quite a scene.
I ain't got no time.
This is not so much. so Aventador obviously would be a cool one. There's 458 here. There's Vintage, but here we have really, really wonderful, probably 3 rarest cars here. We have the Centenario right here. The Lamborghini Centenario, I believe they built only 19 of roadsters, which we have here, and 63 coupes, right? So tremendously limited run, tremendously limited production. One of 19 right here in front of us. How cool is that? What is cool car in your opinion?
A cool car that makes you feel good when you press on the gas pedal.
Hell yeah.
Again, it could be any type of car. If it makes you feel good and it makes you feel confident, it's a good car for you.
Personally, I love convertibles or coupes.
We're surrounded by a lot of them today, yes. And then we have something even more special, even more rare, the Lamborghini Sian. They only built 40 of them. I believe 20 roadsters and 20 coupes, and we have a roadster here. So this is easily $3.2 million car. Incredible. Seeing this in person is quite a sight on its own. Being in front of it is absolute privilege. And there is quite special car next to them as well. This is a Mercedes GT Black Series. They only made about 1,700 of them. It has over 700 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2-point-something seconds. They're all these 3 cars really, really fast, all under 3 seconds. 0 to 60, and this car is also very valuable. Not as expensive as these two, but still very, very rare, very special AMG GT Black Series. This is wonderful.
If you're doing this for dollar signs, odds you are out of line. Yeah.
The one over there.
You like the Aston?
I do.
Yeah, the second generation Aston Vantage.
That's the one I want out of this whole little lot. That's the one.
Really? That's literally probably the cheapest car. She likes the cheapest car here.
I was told. I know.
Looked up some stuff here locally.
So you did watch one of my videos?
I've seen one of them.
My God, what's her name?
Trent.
Trent?
Trent.
Trent.
Yeah, not like
Red.
the steroids.
Hey, tell him to subscribe.
Hey guys, subscribe. He knows his stuff when it comes to flipping cars.
Bro, that's so sick. We found someone who actually watches my content. So how's your journey going with flipping?
Well, so I don't do it full time.
Yeah, on the side. Same here, bro. Same here.
Because I run a media company.
Nice.
So that's why I was like also curious. I'm like, well, what are you guys producing?
Hell yeah. So now we're, exploring the car scene because I'm somewhat still newer to Arizona.
It'll help.
And I got the invitation to attend this one, and it's been lovely, man.
I do video marketing.
So you got hired by them, or you're doing your own content?
They invited me out, but it's a non-paid, so that's why I'm doing as much networking as I can. And I actually connected with their videographer, so
wonderful.
Maybe we'll be doing.
So you're doing self-marketing, man.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing here.
I'm gonna tell my wife about this when I go home. And she's like, "Wait, the Asian guy you were watching the flipping?" And I'm like, "Yes."
That's crazy.
I watched like probably 4 or 5 episodes.
So I have 6 episodes out. I'm working on the next ones.
Yeah, that's
okay.
right there.
Let's stay in touch, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Let's do something together.
Yeah.
Do you only paint special cars?
I paint basically all cars. I've been painting cars for 16 years.
16 years? You look like 18 years old, so you started at 2 years old.
No, I started when I was 7, so you can do the math. Yeah.
What was your first car that you painted?
It was a Ford Mustang.
Which generation?
Early S197.
Nice, good taste. How come are you into cars since as a young girl of 7 years old?
I was just interested in them. My family never understood why, because they're not into them at all. So it was just my thing from as long as I can remember.
How many cars did you paint so far now? 16 years of painting.
I couldn't even tell you. There's hundreds.
Can you name top 3 favorite cars that you painted?
A 993 GT2. That was a Kelly Moss race car that I did. Did a Carrera GT last year. That was really cool. I'd wanted to do one for a while.
Hell yeah.
And then it's hard.
So you're a Porsche girl?
Yeah. I personally drive a Porsche.
Show your beautiful face. This is great. What is your favorite brand?
Probably Koenigsegg or Ferrari.
Wow, you really got a taste. Look at you. Why Koenigsegg?
They go fast. They're the fastest ones, right? It's like adrenaline run.
So speed is very important for you. Do you like driving fast yourself?
Yeah. I mean, no. I like being passenger princess and...
Oh, you like being driven. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's say it here.
Aspire for the cool car.
Cool car cars.
Cool cars for the win.
What's your names, by the way?
Paige.
Paige and
Sasha.
Sasha and Sasha, right?
Yeah.
Do you guys have any other siblings?
No.
It's just two of you. Your parents are still together?
No.
Damn it.
Yeah.
No, I cannot date any of you now. All right, you guys. Not only we had amazing night of cool cars and cool people. Check this out. I got a lot of food here too. Well, there you go. We had some cool cars thanks to my cool vintage Bentley that I bought for $6,000. It gave me access to all of this. This was wonderful. Talking to these amazing people, creating some opportunities. Buy a cool car. You heard a lot of people said the same thing. It can literally, quite literally open some wonderful doors. Even a car like this, the DB9. The car behind us coming. Yes, hell yeah, yes, hell yeah. There you go. Please keep following me, keep following the journey. 3K to exotic, by the way, coming back, please. And I'll see you in the next one. We're not done yet. Check this car out. Check these sandwiches. Check this out. This car cost me so little, but then it gave me so much access. This is just the beginning. This is ridiculous, but what an event it was, you guys. Thank you, my Bentley. Thank you, thank you. My very first Bentley. I love it. Thank you.